So Google is all set to officially launch the Pixel 7 series on October 6 alongside the Pixel Watch. Ahead of the launch event, it is now revealed that the Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro will launch in India too. Let's check out the details right now. Rayon Tipsel's Ishan Agarwal via recent tweet shared that the Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro are coming to India will made available via Flipkart. To recall, the Pixel 3 series was the last high-end and the Pixel lineup that was launched in India. Although the Pixel A series phone continued to launch in the country, if you wish to check the Pixel 7 India teaser yourself, open the Flipkart mobile app and move to mobile section and look for the carousel on the top. You should find the Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro launch microsite there, but it seems to have been removed. But as you can see here, the Indian launch date remain unknown though. Plus, Google is yet to confirm this information officially. So while it may cause a sense of excitement, I would advise you to wait for an official word. I will be sure to update you on this, and if this information is correct, we would expect the Pixel 7 series launch in India to take place in late November or maybe in November. As for what to expect, the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro will boast the same visor-like dual-tone design with the few tweaks like different camera housing. The phone will be powered by next-gen Tensor G2 chipset, which is meant to provide the more helpful and personalized feature to photos, videos, and security and speech recognition. Also, with the improved performance, there would be a 120 Hz display with the 50 megapixel camera, bigger batteries, and much more. The Pixel Watch, on the other hand side, will come with a circular dial, Wear OS 3, various health features, and more. To know the proper details, stay tuned for this space and I'll keep you updated. Don't forget to share your thoughts on the possibility of Pixel 7 series coming to India in the comments below. Like this video if you liked this, and share this video with your friends, and subscribe to this channel. I will catch you in the next one.